So, in today's video, we're going to share you the complete do or die chapters for NEET 2021. By knowing NEET do or die chapters will help aspirants to crack their aim in India's single largest medical exam. In this section, we are dividing the chapters into three parts. That is, the first one is the most priority chapter. The second one is medium priority, and the last one is least priority chapters. But we here are not saying that to only concentrate on the most priority chapters and just avoid the least one. You have to focus them too. But we are categorizing the chapters according to the weightage of questions asked in previous year NEET exams. So, not much wasting time, let's move to the biology section itself. Top priority. Genetics and human reproduction are the most important chapter from zoology. Genetics include principle of inheritance and variation and molecular basis of inheritance. Then reproduction include human reproduction and reproductive health. These four chapters itself makes 20% questions in biology section. Animal kingdom, biomolecules are also included in top priority. The next one included is human physiology. Actually, human physiology deals with many chapters like digestion and absorption, breathing and exchange of gases, body fluids and circulation, excretory products and their elimination, locomotion and movement, neural control and coordination, chemical coordination and integration. Biotechnology, biological classification, cell, the unit of life, and cell cycle, anatomy, and reproduction in flowering plants are also included in top priority. So let me say it once again. Genetics, human reproduction, animal kingdom, biomolecules, human physiology, biotechnology, biological classification, cell, anatomy, and reproduction in flowering plants are the top most priority chapters in NEET. Now let's move to the medium level priority chapters. It includes reproduction in organisms, evolution, strategies for enhancement in food production, human health and diseases, ecosystem, organism and microbes in human welfare, plant kingdom, organism and population, morphology of flowering plants, respiration in plants, photosynthesis, transport in plants, plant growth and development. These are included in medium level. And the least priority chapter will be living world and environmental issues. So these are the most weightage and least weightage chapters. But let me remind you, please don't focus on top priority but also consider the medium and least one also. Now let's look at chemistry portion. The topmost priority chapters in chemistry are nothing much to say, but organic chemistry is the most important chapter you have to study for your NEET exam. From organic, you can accept as much as 7 to 10 questions. Other chapters included in top priority are chemical bonding and molecular structure, thermodynamics, coordination compound, equilibrium, P block, and electrochemistry. So these are the topmost priority chapters in chemistry. Next is a medium level chapter, and it includes D and F block, biomolecules, solid state, state of matter, classification of elements, general principle and process of isolation of elements, and S block elements. The least level priority chapters are polymers, chemistry in everyday life, environmental chemistry, basic concepts of chemistry, hydrogen, amines, etc. So these are the most priority, medium level and least level chapters according to chemistry. So next is physics. The top priority one are electrostatics. Almost 3 to 4 questions has been asked from this chapter itself. Other top important chapters are ray optics, wave optics, rotational motion, current electricity, modern physics including dual nature, atoms and nucleus, magnetism and laws of motion. So let me tell you once: electrostatics, ray optics, wave optics, rotational motion, current electricity, modern physics, magnetism and laws of motion. The medium level chapters are units and dimensions, alternating current, oscillation, solids, fluids, gravitation, magnetic effect, and one-dimensional motion. The last one, the least important chapter for physics are two-dimensional motion, waves, electromagnetic waves, work energy power, and EMI. So these are the top, medium and least level priority chapters for NEET exam. Knowing the subject-wise important chapters for NEET will surely boost up your marks. But make sure to not completely avoid the chapters included in least important chapters. So make the next 30 days your best and crack your dream. All the best.